Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Line Financial Express loans. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into a review of Line Financial Express loans. For your convenience, you'll find all the relevant links in the description below. Let's explore what sets Line Financial apart, examine its key features, and determine if it's a suitable solution for your financial requirements. Line Financial offers a streamlined and efficient method for obtaining an express loan, connecting borrowers with lenders who provide personal loans of up to $5,000. This service is particularly well suited for individuals requiring rapid access to funds for unforeseen expenses such as car repairs, medical bills, or urgent home improvements. The entire application process is conducted online, enabling you to apply from any location, at any time. Completing the application form takes mere minutes, and you can typically receive a decision within minutes, which is invaluable for those in urgent need of financial assistance. A key advantage of Line Financial is its adaptability. Whether you require a small sum for short-term needs or a more substantial loan for larger expenses, Line Financial can connect you with lenders offering terms tailored to your specific circumstances. Loan amounts range from $200 to $5,000, with repayment terms generally spanning from 3 to 36 months, empowering you to select a repayment plan that aligns with your budget. Furthermore, the platform does not impose any upfront fees, a welcome contrast to some other lending services. Line Financial caters to individuals with diverse credit histories. While applicants with strong credit scores are likely to secure the most advantageous terms, the platform also extends access to loans for individuals with less than perfect credit. It's important to note that interest rates may be elevated for those with lower credit scores, but they often remain more manageable than payday loans or other high-cost alternatives. In summary, Line Financial Express loans offer a rapid, straightforward, and adaptable financial solution for individuals requiring swift access to funds. It's a valuable resource for anyone confronting an emergency or unexpected expenses. However, as with any loan agreement, it's crucial to thoroughly review the terms and conditions to ensure it's the optimal choice for your individual financial situation. For more detailed information on how to apply, be sure to check out the links provided in the description below. Thanks for watching.